Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 7 Pro, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card. So this device actually has dual SIM card support, and I have all the things here, as you can see on the side ready. Little SIM eject tool, and what you want to do, I'm going to lock the device, and it's on the bottom of the phone. So right here, this thing, so you would want to kind of push it in there till it pops out like so. As you can see, it's not, okay, so not really visible on the camera. Okay, so you can get to take it out, and then you get this tray, and it has a little cutout here, so it's not rectangular all the way. What you want to do is put it in like so, card with that little cutout right there. Then when you flip it over and don't drop the card that you have just put in, like I did, yeah, you can do the same with the other one. Also this side, with the little shiny side on the top, like so. Now it should hold in there by itself. So once it's both in there, you can slide it back in. Make sure that the little hole that is right here for the ejection is basically also where it's supposed to be, right here, as you can see. So it goes like this for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna push it all the way. And now, if I remember correctly, one of those SIM cards has a PIN number. And I think it was something like this. Yeah, I don't actually remember what it was. Somewhere I should have a little card, but so basically, as you can see, they're working because I don't remember the PIN, and it won't let me go through. But that's how you insert the card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.